Look at this. I'll show you. Oh, look. Did you see? Look at that. I'm here in New Star, Cebu City. Napakagandang lugar. Look at that. So that's a sea. That's a sea ocean. And this one is a mountain. This one is a big mall. SM Seaside. And look at the mountain. Look, it's so nice. Oh, see? And this one is a building not yet finished. Look, so nice. Yeah, there. Oh my gosh. Look at down. And we are in the 15th floor. And do the swimming pool. Look at it. Oh, wow. Look. And then, my gosh. The swimming pool. We bandered and swimming. There. The swimming pool there. Did you see it? So nice. Hello, Ice. Hello, Ice. Hi. How are you? Oh, see? Did you see it? Nah, super beautiful. Yes. Look at this. And there's a mountain there. No. That's a sea. Look at this, man. Look. Wow, so cool. And then this one. Look at that. Oh, so there. Yeah, the new star. Hi, Chris Jordan is a new star. You're correct. Yeah. Look. Yeah, it's so nice here. Yeah, look, the Cebu. Thank you. Yes. Yeah. Are you from Cebu City? Chris Jordan, Leah? Yeah, it's so nice here. Look at that. It's amazing. So amazing here. I'm also from you're Mindanao. Yeah, I'm here from Cebu. And you regards from the Mindanao and your family, Chris, Jordan, Leah. I'm from Cebu, Jordan, Leah. And regards to all from there in Mindanao. And there's no traffic today. Today is Sunday. I think no traffic because, yeah, look at this. You're welcome. So there is also the water there across of here. Did you see there's a water? Thank you. Thank you. You're welcome also. And thank you for watching Chris, Jordan, Leah. Thank you very much. And there's a mountain there, oh. And also there's a lot of oh my gosh. There's a lot of people to build a house there. Oh, so amazing. In the mountain there's a lot of people build a house. Yeah, there's a mountain there. And then there's a lot of houses. So amazing. You see? There's a mountain there and there's a lot of people. And also there's a buildings. I think that's a condo. Yeah. There far away there's no houses. There's no houses yet. I think maybe some. But maybe next year or the next other year or 2030, it's a lot of houses there already, because there's one houses I saw there in the far away is there's one houses, and the other mountain it is 3 houses, I guess. On one house and other one houses. Oh my gosh, so cool here. It's already a lot of people around of the world. I'm here, I'll show my face and my beautiful face. Yeah. Good morning. I'm here, and then not yet breakfast. You already breakfast, guys? From Philippines? You already breakfast? You have breakfast already? Or yeah? Kasi yung boyfriend ko natutulog pa. Natutulog pa sila. Kaya yeah. Guys, thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, like and comment below. Bye bye.